content creation is a scam. And I'm just going to say it. It is a scam, but maybe not the way that you think it is. I think still in this day and age of us trying to monetize in whatever you're trying to do, I'm transitioning to a UGC creator. So that's making more content for brands because I am exhausted with being an influencer. And if you look at my TikTok, it's not showing me having any motion. But if you look at my YouTube, I have 10,000 followers, close to getting there, and have over 1 million views. So I monetize on YouTube. I have brand sponsorships and affiliates where I get kickback. I have an Amazon store. So I got a little bit of motion outside of this app. But you even look at the video that I just posted, doesn't look like it. I'm still learning and it's all good. But it is so exhausting just being a content creator and just trying to get content out there. So as I transition to 2025, I want to do a little bit something different and get back to TikTok after the whole ban was done, being lifted, and saying, let me jump into this UGC creator. I had already thought about it right before the ban, and I was like, okay, we're back on and popping. Let's get to it. But it really is, even with some of the amazing creators that are on here trying to give you game, I've heard everything from buying followers to make it to the TikTok shop to doing this and doing that. All of these things, all of these algorithms, all of these different platforms. One thing I can tell you as being in the game, even on a different platform as YouTube, they are always changing their algorithms. They are always changing how they do business. So it's always someone trying to keep you up on game. But then if it's old content, it may not even be the same thing. So what I'm gonna do, and it's one thing I've learned by being on social media in general, like don't fall for the okey doke with the FOMO, the fear of missing out. So I'm just gonna try to grow as organically as I can on this platform. At the same time, really focusing behind the scenes on my UGC creator growth. Now, I wish I had time to show everything, but just want to try to give a little bit of realism to this whole thing. Like it is work, is WORK. Even with me growing my YouTube channel and getting monetized on that platform, I know it's a lot of work. So all what glitters isn't gold, and some of the things that people try to show us is not how it really turns out. So that's why I think it's a scam, and you just have to go into it with some realism, some realistic expectations, and most importantly, not to be so hard on yourself. Because if you're trying to stay in someone else's lane or trying to merge into someone else's lane, you'll ultimately crash. So that's my 2 cents. I mean, I'll show y'all. I ain't got no problems. I got all my little setup. Stuff is just crazy, like boxes of stuff from content, laundry that I need to fold up and do. But this is my little office away from the main house so that I'm not bothering the kids and the wife. But it is what it is, y'all. This is content creation at its finest. So be encouraged, y'all. Keep winning, stay motivated, and keep crushing your goals, not someone else's. Peace and blessings.